How to fix Microsoft Teams meeting not showing in calendar. So for example, right now I am in the Microsoft Teams application and then I can go to the calendar page. So from here, you should be able to see a Microsoft Teams meeting when you create one. So like for example, if I go ahead and click new event, so let's say this will be a meeting and then turn on Teams meeting, click save. So you just need to wait for this to finish. So sometimes when you create a Microsoft Teams meeting instantly, there will be this please wait uh, window right here. And then you should now have the meeting right here. So sometimes it's also not reflected immediately. So if it's not reflected immediately, you just need to wait for a few moments and then you should see the Microsoft Teams meeting event right here in your calendar. So if you're still having problems in your calendar, so if the meeting is not showing, what we can do is that we can try to reset the calendar application. So to do that, we can right click this and unpin it and then just open another application. From there, we can try to open the calendar application again. And then you can just pin it so that it will be permanently right here in the sidebar. And then when you go ahead and open it, you should have the meeting appear right here again. So if you're still having problems with that, now what we can do is that we can just use the repair function of the Microsoft 365 apps. So to do that, go to the search right here and then type in control panel. From here, go to programs and features. From here, you should see all of your applications that is installed in your computer and then just search for Microsoft right here in the search bar. From here, you should see this Microsoft 365 or Microsoft 365's apps for business. So this will depend on what application or account that you're using. So I'm just going to use this Microsoft 365 apps for business and then click the change button. From here, click yes. Then there will be this window that will appear right here. So you have two options. You have the quick repair and then you have the online repair. So I prefer using the quick repair first because this will fix most issues quickly without using an internet connection. So after, if you have used quick repair and you're still having some problems, now you just need to use online repair. So this will fix all issues but will take a little longer and will require an internet connection. So from here, just choose from the two options and then click repair. And then from there, you just need to wait for a while until the repair feature is finished. So it will take like a few minutes before it finishes. From there, you should now reset Microsoft Teams. So you can just go to the tray icon, click quit Teams, go back to search, and then open Microsoft Teams again. From there, your issue should now be fixed. So let me go to my other Teams account that I was using earlier. And then from here, you should now be able to see your meeting in your calendar. And then that is it. So those are the solutions that we can do to fix the Microsoft Teams meeting not showing up in the calendar. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.